Dear students, welcome to the problem solving session on median. In the previous session, we solved problems on arithmetic mean. In this session, we are going to deal problems on median for raw data, discrete frequencies as well as continuous frequencies. Before going into the problem, let us understand the data divisions. If I split the percentage into two equal halves like 0 to 50% and 50 to 100%, this is going to be my middlemost value, or I can say this as median. So the median divides the data into two equal halves. The first half contains the values from minimum to median and second half contains the values from median to the maximum, that is 100%. Instead of splitting into two equal halves, we can split this into four equal halves. Now we can see the visualization, and I am marking everything as 25%. This point I can name this as Q1. It is exactly 25th percentile. So I can say this as first quartile. Because I am splitting into four equal halves, I am telling this as a first quartile. And this is going to be my Q2, that is a second quartile, or we can say this as a median, and this one is my third quartile. You can see the typed version. In the similar way, I can split the data into 10 equal halves. In this case, I can define DIs, that is deciles, D1, D2, D3, etc. up to D9, where D1 is first decile, D5 is fifth decile, and D9 is ninth decile. In the similar way, I can even split the problem into 100 equal parts and I can say it as percentile divisions. Hope you get the clear picturization about the partition values. Now let us go into the problems. Median is the middlemost value of an ordered set. The very important step is you have to write the given data either in ascending order or in descending order. We are going to deal with ascending order, and when we arrange the numbers in ascending order, there are two possibilities. When we count, we can get n may be odd or even. If n is odd, then the median is going to be n plus 1 by 2th value. If n is even, then the median is going to be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Average of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. When we go to the problem, you can see the clear picture. When n is odd, the median is going to be always an actual data point inside the data. When n is even, median may not be an original data. So now let us go for the ungrouped data or raw data. Find the median of the given numbers. First thing, we have to count. We see we have 9 numbers. So n is odd, therefore the median is going to be n plus 1 by 2th item. That is nothing but 9 plus 1 by 2, that is 10 by 2. We see fifth item or fifth observation is going to be my median. First let us arrange the problem into ascending order. Now we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my fifth item is my median. Therefore 25 is my median. Let us do one more example. Find the median of following data. First rearrange it in ascending order. When I count the value, n is going to be 8. So it is an even number. Now n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th position we have to find. Since my n is 8, 8 by 2 it is going to be 4th position, and similarly here 8 by 2 plus 1th position is going to be 4 plus 1, that is 5th position. Now I can see 4th position is 15 and 5th position is 18. So median is going to be average of these two, that is 15 plus 18 by 2. So the median is going to be 16.5. As I said in the earlier, if n is even, then median cannot be the number which is given in the original data. If n is odd, the median is going to be one of the number from the original data. Now we are going for the discrete frequency cases. First, to find the median, we have to find the sum of all frequencies and take it as n. Once you find n, compute n by 2 and then we have to find the cumulative frequency. Once you find the cumulative frequency, find a number which is greater than or equal to n by 2. and the corresponding x value is going to be my median. So it is very easy. Let us see one problem. And the good thing is, for median, we don't need any big calculator, shortcuts, nothing. Just like that, we can do manually. Yeah, these are all the 3 steps. Let us go into a problem. Find the median. This data is discrete frequencies. X is my marks and F is my number of students, because 10 mark is repeated by 8 students, 92 is repeated by 18 students. Hope you understand. Now the first step is very important step. We have to rearrange the discrete table in ascending order. First we have to go for the lowest value, 10 and 8. Then the next value is 18, 16. The next one is 23, 12. Then 38, 40, 48, 58, 65, 92. It is very important. We have to arrange in the ascending order from X, not from F. Next, we are going to find cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is a very easy task. Just write the first value of the frequency as it is. Now we have to add this two number, 8 plus 16. It's going to be 24. Then 24 plus 12, 36. 36 plus 12, 48. 48 plus 4, 52. 52 plus 1, 53. 53 plus 10, 63. 63 plus 18, it is going to be 81. So we have completed the column cumulative frequency, and the last value is going to be my capital N, that is summation F, 81. The major job is done. From N we have to find N by 2. My N by 2 is 40.5. Now we have to find a value which is greater than 40.5 and very close to 40.5, and we can see 48 is very close, which is bigger than 40.5 in this table. Now the corresponding x value is going to be my median. Therefore my median is 38. Hope you understand, students. For the continuous case, it is going to be little different. Let us go into the problem. As usual, first we have to fill the intervals and then frequency. Here we don't want to find any midpoints as like the arithmetic mean. And here we can see ordered, it is in ascending order. So just write the data in the table. Next we have to find the cumulative frequency. First we write 15 as it is, then 15 plus 13, 28. 28 plus 8, 36. 36 plus 6, 42. Like this we have to fill the table. The last value is going to be my capital N, that is my sum of frequencies, 70. Next, how to find median for this problem. Now the formula for median is L plus N by 2 minus M divided by F into C. We know capital N by 2 is going to be 35. Now we have to find a value which is greater than 35 and very close to 35. That is my 36. Now from the 36, I can see the class interval, that is 50 to 60. The lowest value here is 50. That is my L. Next, we have to find M. The previous value of the cumulative frequency which we found here, it is going to be my M, and C is going to be my class width. Between 30 to 40, we can see the class width is 10. Next, finally we need frequency. We found this 36 is the cumulative frequency for the median class, and the corresponding frequency is 8. Therefore, F equal to 8. Now substitute all the values in the formula. Just do a simple calculation in your calculator. We can find the final value. Median is 58.75. Hope you understand, students.
Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and share it to your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.